Welcome to the Fabrico.Design Fashionable Patterns YouTube channel, your space to be your own designer. We create professional sewing patterns and make them available to everyone. Sew with us and create your own style. Today we are cutting and sewing the Ariadne skirt. This is a mini skirt with pleats, a concealed zipper fastening, and a sewn-on belt. For this sewing project, we will need sewing patterns, denim for the main fabric, interfacing, matching color threads, interfacing tape, a concealed zipper, and sewing accessories. You can find the sewing patterns for this garment on the Fabrico.Design website. Please note that for this sewing project, you should use universal or denim needles type number 90. Let's start cutting. Make sure to decate the fabric so that it does not shrink during the sewing. Follow the direction of the grain line as it is indicated on the sewing patterns and transfer all control points. Please note that our sewing patterns already contain allowances. You do not need to add anything. After cutting, make sure to check the number of pieces according to the sewing pattern specifications. Here are the pieces we should get from the main fabric: 2 skirt panel with a fold pieces and 1 waistband piece. Do not forget about the pieces that we interface completely or partially. We interface completely the waistband. We interface partially the skirt panel with a fold. In the left side seam, we will have a concealed zipper. We reinforce the allowances up to the notch on the zipper. We used denim as the main fabric. Cotton or suiting fabric will also work great. Delicate, feminine, and effortlessly light, the Ariadne skirt is a must-have for your wardrobe. We place markings on the wrong side on 2 pieces of the skirt panel and stitch all the pleats to the level of the markings. We stitch and then iron press the folds to the center on both sides, ironing them to the very bottom. It is very important to iron press the pleats very well. Next, we lay a top stitch along the folds, starting from the top and down to the stitching level. We secure the folds along the waist seam, we overcast the side seams, and now we stitch them together. We stitch the right one completely and the left one from the notch on the zipper and down. We iron press the allowances apart We also overcast the bottom of the skirt and iron press the bottom along the notches without deforming the folds. Now we secure the hem allowances with blind stitches or on a sewing machine. And iron press. Overcast one longitudinal cut of the waistband, which will be inside the skirt, and then iron press the waistband in half, wrong side inwards. After that, stitch the unovercast cut of the waistband face to face to the top cut of the skirt. Stitch, iron press the allowances onto the waistband. Next, unzip the concealed zipper and place it face to face onto one of the sides of the skirt. Place the beginning of the links to the ironed fold of the waistband. Face to face. Stitch. Zip up. Transfer control marks. Unzip. And now, in the same way, we lay the second side the same way as the first and top stitch. Zip up. Check for symmetry. And then fasten the lower edge of the zipper to the allowances of the skirt. Placing bar tacks on the machine. Iron press. Next, we bend the zipper with the edge of the waistband and stitch. Along the fold, face inward, close to the links. Turn inside out and then secure the inner edge of the waistband with a stitch through the seam of the waistband attachment. Iron press the waistband and iron press the finished skirt. The Ariadne skirt is ready to be worn. Thank you for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new sewing patterns. You can find all our patterns and sewing masterclasses on our website. The link is under this video.